this is our pulley support assembly. In this video we are going to see how to make this pulley. Now let's start it. We are going to make this step by step with dimensions. For that, first open CATIA, then go on start, then sketch figure according to given in that poster. After that, now let's give dimensions to it by using this constraint option. Now let's see, distance between that axis to this line is given as 11.25 divided by 2, because we are going to sketch half. See, distance between this whole circle is 11.25, but we are just sketching this half, so it's 11.25 divided by 2. Now this distance is given as 30, but it should be 15 because we are sketching half again. Distance between this line to this axis is given as 45 divided by 2 again. After that, distance of this horizontal line is given as 2.5, and now distance between this external line to the axis is given as 5, and it's I written here 4, it's 5, and enter it. After that, select whole sketch and then use mirror option from here and select this axis. After that, our sketch is completed. Now go on exit to workbench, then use this shaft command, then select axis and click on OK. This is how we have completed our pulley. Thank you so much guys for watching it.